Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. As you all know, photosynthesis is the main thing for plants to grow big and healthy. And for this process, your plant only needs three things. It's the sunlight, carbon dioxide, and the water. As you all know, we live in North India and it's very cold here. And with the cold weather, there's a lot of fog, and the fog is the main reason that restricts the sunlight. And sometimes there are also days where we don't even get sunlight. As a result, the plants can't do photosynthesis so well. And most of the plants in this period become dormancy and all their leaves shed off, and the few remaining leaves that they have turn brown or yellow. And to protect plants in this period, my mom does a lot of tricks. My mom has already told you some of those tricks that keep your plants together to get that microenvironment. The second one is mulching. The third one is to cover your plant if possible with any cloth or plastic bags. And the fourth one is to place your plant under direct sunlight. So today I will tell you another tricks that will help your plant get healthy and would grow better. Did you know the sugar syrup in your kitchen pantry is more useful than you may know and can help to keep your gardens healthy? The sugar syrup is an environmentally friendly option that gardeners can use to control roots, nematodes hiding in the soil, and to kill hard to control weeds. For this, you only need 20 to 30 ml of sugar syrup and dilute it with 5 liters of water. Now pour the solution directly on the soil around the plants. Beneficial microorganisms consuming the sugar increase the amount of organic matter in the soil. But there are some researchers that say that there are several reasons why sugar water as a plant food doesn't work. They say that plants do not have a digestive system that metabolizes sugar like humans. Plants do photosynthesis on their own, self-regulating the amount of sugar they produce to grow. But in this winter season, there is a lack of photosynthesis. So my mom used these tricks for a long time, and my mom somehow noticed that this is beginning to work in the plants. So I hope if you dilute this sugar syrup in water and use it in your plants, you will be also able to see the results. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.